This one adjustment to your routine is going to break your addictions and make hard work simple. And the best part is you can still enjoy TikTok and video games. This is not a dopamine detox, but with one simple change, you can enjoy all these things and hack your brain to skyrocket your productivity. You see, most people's daily dopamine release looks something like this. You wake up, check your phone straight away, and your dopamine spikes. You get up and have a shower, dipping your dopamine release, but then spike it again with a high-carb, sugary breakfast. However, the brain works off contrast, so if you spike your dopamine early, you're going to chase those same levels for the rest of the day. From then on, you'll constantly be spiking and dipping your dopamine release, with doom scroll sessions, YouTube binges, and junk food, until it resets when you sleep. This is what makes doing hard things like work so difficult and getting distracted on your phone so easy, and if you don't fix it and do what I say, you'll never be successful. Most people will tell you to do a dopamine detox. This means cutting out all activities that spike dopamine and aiming for a daily release that looks something like this. This idea is rubbish. Dopamine is a natural hormone that we need. It makes us motivated, satisfied, happy, and so much more. Not to mention, completely cutting out pleasurable activities that we enjoy is a one-way ticket to burnout, which we want to avoid at all costs. The truth is, you can still enjoy all these things while still hacking your brain to crave hard work. I promise you, if you try what I'm about to tell you, you'll be amazed at your own ability to do the things you dread. So what exactly am I talking about? Well, instead of aiming for this dopamine release, what if we aimed for this? We save our high dopamine activities to the end of the day, or at least the end of when we want to be productive. This means the contrast to the dopamine high doesn't exist, so you won't be constantly chasing it, and doing the low dopamine tasks is infinitely easier to accomplish. And the best part is, since your only dopamine release during this time comes from, for example, work, it will trick your brain to actually enjoy it, because remember, dopamine is a feel-good hormone. Just try this and I promise you'll see exactly what I mean. It will still take work and discipline. You're not cutting out your addictions and pleasure time altogether, but you still have to put it off till later. Don't get caught up on your phone, and definitely don't check it when you first wake up. Leave your phone in a different room overnight if you need to. Remember, the moment you spike your dopamine, you've derailed the whole day. The moment you slip up, you've created the contrast in your brain, and you will be chasing that for the rest of the day. Wait until the end of the day, or until you've finished all of your tasks, and then go for your life. You can live the remainder of the day in dopamine heaven, feeling extra satisfied with how productive you were all day.